The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay, the Atlantic coastal waters between Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey and Fenwick Island, Delaware out to 20 nautical miles, including Cape Henlopen, Rehoboth Beach, Buoy 2 FB, Buoy 2 MS, Buoy 3 FB, Brandywine Shoal Light, Brown Shoal Light, Cape New Point, Cape New Reef, Cross Ledge Light, East Point, 14-foot Bank Light, Miami Light and Wildwood Reef, until 6 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots, or greater 6 nautical miles northeast of 14-foot Bank Light, moving east to 20 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near 7 nautical miles north of Cape New Point by 4:45 p.m. over Wildwood Reef and Buoy 3 FB by 5:20 p.m. 4 nautical miles north of Cape New Reef by 5:25 p.m. 3 nautical miles south of Buoy 2 FB by 5:40 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. A severe thunderstorm watch also remains in effect until 9 p.m. Friday evening for northern Delaware and northeastern Maryland and southern New Jersey.